Hello everyone, good evening and welcome back to my reasoning class. Today we will be solving some problems on mathematical operations. Okay, so let's start without delaying. Here, today's first problem. If a plus b is greater than c plus d, b plus e is equal to 2c and c plus d is greater than b plus e, it necessarily follows that four options have been given. Pause the video, try to solve it, then I'll explain. Here, a plus b is greater than c plus d. Okay, and c plus d is greater than b plus e. Therefore, a plus b is greater than b plus e definitely. Therefore, a plus b is greater than b plus e is equal to 2c. Therefore, a plus b is greater than 2c. Therefore, b will be the answer. Okay. Next. It is a bit more complicated in compared to the other three problems today. See, if a plus d is equal to b plus c, a plus e is equal to c plus d, 2c is less than a plus e and 2a is greater than b plus d, then which one is correct? Four options are given. Now, from these two equations, what we are getting? A plus e is equal to c plus d and 2c is less than a plus e. As a plus e is equal to c plus d, therefore 2c is less than c plus d, therefore 2c is less than c plus d, as a plus c is equal to c plus d, therefore 2c minus c is less than d, therefore c is less than d. Okay, this is number 1. A plus d is equal to b plus c. A plus d is equal to b plus c. Now here with the equation we have got in 1, what we can conclude? C is less than d. Now suppose here c is 1 and d is 2 because d is greater than c. Okay, so now therefore suppose these two are equal. Here these two are equal part. So suppose a is here 3. Now 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. C is 1, therefore b has to be 4. From here what we can conclude? Then b is greater than a. Okay, this is equation number 2. Now, 2a is greater than b plus d. Therefore, a plus a is greater than b plus d. Now, as b is greater than a, therefore 2 plus 2. Suppose a is equal to 2 here. Then 2 plus 2 has to be greater than b. Here b is bigger than a. Therefore b has to be is equal to 3. Sorry. As b is bigger than a, then b has to be 0 to make this part greater than this part. Therefore, from here what we can conclude? A is greater than d. A is greater than d. Now, last one, a plus e is equal to c plus d. As a is greater than d, with the same logic, you can say c is greater than e. You can check it. And this is equation number 4. Here we have got all the 4 equations. Now we have to conclude. See, from equation number 1, what we can see? C is less than D. Now amongst these 4 options, where you can see C is smaller than D, only here C is smaller than D in C and in A. In C and in A, this conclusion is getting fulfilled. Therefore, A and D are eliminated. Only option C and B are left. Now, B is greater than A, where here also B is greater than A and here also B is greater than A. Okay. Number 3, A is greater than D. A is greater than D. Here A is less than D here. Okay. Then C is also eliminated. Here last option, A is greater than D. A is greater than D. Therefore only A is left and B is left, and here B will be the answer. If A plus B is equal to 2C and C plus D is equal to 2A, then which one is correct? Now, A plus B is equal to 2C and C plus D is equal to 2A. Adding these two, what will you get? A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 2C plus 2A. Therefore, B plus D, we are taking these two in the right hand side, 2C plus 2A minus A minus C. Therefore, B plus D is equal to A, 2A minus A is equal to A plus 2C minus is equal to C, A plus C. B plus D is equal to A plus C. Therefore, A will be the answer. The easiest one, A greater than B, B is greater than C, C is greater than D, then which of the following conclusions is definitely wrong here? A is definitely greater than D, C, A is greater than C, okay, D is greater than A. No, here D is less than A is greater than D. Therefore, this one is the wrong one, hence this one will be the answer. Okay. So, that's all for today. I hope you all are enjoying my videos. If you do so, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming with new videos very soon. Till then, bye-bye.